This video is for practicing finding the slope using rise over run. So this is when we count slope on a graph. Remember that the rise is the vertical change. So it's the up and down change. It's the change in the y values. The run is the horizontal change. It's the change in the x values. Alright, so if I'm looking here at my rise, going up like that, y goes from 4 to 6, so it goes up by 2. And then the run goes from 1 to 5, so it increases by 4. So rise over run would be 2 over 4, and we always try to reduce it. So 2 over 4 reduces to 1/2. So the slope of this line is a positive 1/2. Alright, calculate the slope using rise over run. Okay, so the rise and then the run. The rise, the y goes from 2 to 8, so the rise is 6. The run, x goes from -1 to positive 9. So if you count it on a line, -1 to 9, that's a distance of 10. So rise over run for slope is going to give us 6 over 10, and that can be reduced to 3 over 5. So the slope is 3/5. Alright, here we're going to calculate slope again. Rise over run. Okay, so my rise and my run. Okay, this time the rise, we're going down from y is 4 to y is -2. So that's a distance of 6. If you were to count that on a number line on a y-axis, going down 4 gets you to 0, and then 2 more gets you to -2. The run is from -1 to positive 2, so the run is 3. So my rise over run is going to be -6 over 3, and that reduces to -2 over 1, or -2. Alright, that's what we should expect. We should expect a negative slope because our line is heading down. This is always a negative slope. The previous example, we had the line going this direction. Remember, that's always a positive slope. Alright, here's your self-quiz. Calculate the slope of the line. Restart to check your answer. Alright, welcome back from pausing. We have rise and run. The rise, the change in the y direction. Y goes from 1 to -1. So it's going down by 2. So the rise is -2. The run goes from 0 to 6, so that's an increase of 6. -2 over 6 reduces to -1 over 3, so the slope is -1/3. How'd you do? Oh, that must mean our video is ending. Read some books.